If you see here, I got a 2 TB of cloud storage for free. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you about a cool trick that will give you a Google's AI Pro free for 15 months. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So this is the link. All the links that I've been showing here will be posted in the description. So once you come into this page, you'll see the AI Pro and AI Ultra. So AI Ultra is costly, it's $250. They're not giving that for free. If you want to get it, you have to pay $124 for the next 3 months and use it. But the trick that I'm going to tell is this. So if you see here, it is only free for 1 month, and after that you have to pay $20 per month. And what you'll get Gemini free, and the great thing is you'll get 2 TB of cloud storage, AI in your Google accounts and Gemini Chrome everywhere, and you'll get 1000 monthly AI credits and VO3, which is crazy. All you need to do is come here. You can get this link from the description. All you have to do is click on the student discount. So click on the student discount and it will ask you to verify your student's discount. So click on the verify. So let's say if I add like example this, if I try to verify it, so it will say the enter school affiliated email. So here only we have to enter the school's email which is given to the students. So you have to get that email from your friends or any student that is studying in a school or a college. The thing that you have to remember is the email ends with edu. So it's not gmail.com. It could be example@oxford.edu. So that's how the email should be. I know many of the schools does not provide the email ID. So if you do not have the school email ID, you can follow this trick. Come to this website and select any edu email and enter your username. Again, all the links will be present in the blog post linked in the description. Once the email is created, click on copy and paste that into the Google's website and click on verify. You'll get the verification code. Go to the email that we just created and you will get the new message. Click on that and here you'll see the verification code. Copy the verification code and paste it over here. Submit. And if you see here, now you're eligible for the Google AI Pro student discount. Continue. If you see, now we are getting 15 months of free Google subscription for all the below items. Especially we'll get 2 TB of cloud storage. And when you click on start trial, you have to add your credit card or debit card. Don't worry, you are not going to charge till September 26. And here is the email that I received from Google, and you could see I have 2 TB of cloud storage for free and the other benefits. And here is the other email about the subscription. I got the Google AI Pro 2 TB subscription for $0. And if you see the above, I'll be charged after August 31st, 2026, which means I got it around 12 months of free subscription. You can also try this method, and if you face any issues, comment below and I'll happy to respond. And if you want 4 TB of free cloud storage forever, you can check this video.